Alrighty, we're back with another one. I'm really excited to show you what's in here. Because it's really funny. Just a tiny little thing coming out of this big box just really tickled me. But these are weaving cards. So if you have an inkle loom, then this is something that you could use for sure. Some folks have had some success doing it on like rigid heddle looms even, but basically this is for band weaving. So if you have ever been interested in those beautiful bands with all of those beautiful patterns in them, the knotwork and the even I've seen some that are like little dancing skeletons. I've seen all kinds of different things. This is what you use to make those. So of course you've got your holes and you just thread them up in a certain way and with a certain direction to them, and when you twist them back or forth you get patterns. We have previously done sales on books in the past couple of years about card weaving. So if you have one of those and you have yet to pick these up and actually get going, this is a great excuse to do that. So if you need a pack of cards, then go ahead and grab a pack for sale, which is going to be happening this coming Friday. So if you need cards or if you're interested in this, if you've seen it before and this is something you've always wanted to check out, great opportunity to do that. There you go. There's really not a whole lot else to say about these cool little guys, so check them out.